Good morning everyone. I hope you all are well. So, welcome back. As yesterday we have revised the topic phonic sound of all alphabets A to Z. Did you revise at your home? Okay, very good. Everyone revise. So, you all are know the phonic sounds of all alphabet? Okay. So, let's revise with ma'am today. But you know, today is a activity day. Which day? Activity day. So, we will revise our topic with the help of activity. But you know, some rules and regulations are there. In this activity, ma'am will show some things. You will identify and tell me the first letter of that thing. After that, you have to tell me the phonic sound of that alphabet. Understood? First you have identified the letter कि कौन से अल्फाबेट से वो thing start हो रहा है. And then you have to tell me the phonic sound of that particular alphabet. Understood? Okay. We will start. Start? ठीक है. Let's start. Okay. See. Which thing is this? Which toy is this? Do you want to play with this toy? Yes. See. Which toy is this? Car. So, car will start with which alphabet? C. And what is the sound of C? K. Very good. And similarly, see, what is this? See, a small cup. What is this? Cup. And cup, the alphabet of this cup, the cup is start with the alphabet C. So the sound of C is K. Very good. Sound of C is K. C. Sound of C is K. Understood? This is the activity. We have lots of things. Okay? Okay. So, our next object is van. Which object is this? Van. Van. So, van will start with which letter? V. And what is the sound of V? V. Van. Okay? V. And the sound of V is V. Okay? Okay. So, and tell me which object is this? See? Which object is this? Helicopter. Which object is this? Helicopter. Helicopter start with which letter? H. And what is the sound of H? H. Helicopter. H. Okay? Okay. H. Understood? Okay. Ma'am will show some other alphabet objects. Okay, tell me. What is this? You know which character is this? देखा है कभी? Everyone knows. Mickey Mouse. Which object is this? Or which cartoon character is this? Mickey Mouse. So, what is the name of this character? Mickey. M. Start with which letter? M. And what is the sound of M? M. M. Mickey. M. Okay? M. 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 And one more character is this. What is the name of this character? Minion. Which character is this? Minion. Start with which letter? M. And what is the sound of M? M. M. Minion. Okay? So, see? M. M. Okay? Okay. And tell me, which character is this? See? Which character is this? Nice? Superman. You know? Which character is this? Superman. And start with which letter? S. So, tell me the sound of S. S. Superman. S. S. Okay? So, next is S. Sound of S is S. Okay? So, our next character is which object is this? Ball. Ball will start with B. B. And what is the sound of B is S? Everyone know. B. B. Ball. B. Ball. Okay. See. B. Bat. B. Bat. And see. What is this? Nice. What is this? क्या है ये? Basket. What is this? Basket. Nice. सबके पास होगी. Okay. Basket. Start with alphabet B. And the sound of B is B. B. Basket. And tell me, what is this? See? See? What is this? Bag. B. Bag. Nice. And see? What is this? क्या है ये? Bird. What is this? Bird. Bird will start with which sound? B. Lots of things are there. Okay. So our next alphabet is B. Or alphabet is B. And the sound is B. Okay. next thing or object is, see, what is this? Which object is this? Robot. Which object is this? Robot. Robot start with which alphabet? R. And what is the sound of R? R is R. R. Robot. R. Robot. Okay? R. R is the alphabet and sound of R is R. Okay? So, and tell me, what is this? See? What is this? Kettle. What is this? Kettle. And the kettle start with alphabet K. K. And the sound of K is, yes, hurry up. K. K. Sound of K is K. Okay. And C. What is this? Which object is this? Jeep. What is this? Jeep. Jeep. Jeep start with alphabet J. And the sound of J is, bolo, J. J. Jeep. J. Jeep. J. And the sound of Jeep is, start with alphabet sound J. And our next object is C. What is this? Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. What is this? Yes, this is piano. What is this? This is piano. And piano is start with which alphabet? P. And the sound of P is P. What is the sound? P. Okay, and same here. See? Small plate. What is this? Plate. Start with alphabet P. P. Plate. P. Piano. P. Plate. Okay. P. Sound is P. Okay. And tell me, which character is this? This is a favorite cartoon, I think. Definitely. Yes. Which character is this? Doraemon. Okay. And what is this? Dog. Start with which alphabet? D. D. And the sound of D is D. What is the sound? D. D. Dog. D. Doraemon. See, what is this? Dinosaur. Start with again D. And the sound of D is D. Okay. See, what is this? Duster. Start with alphabet D. And the sound of D is D. D for dog. D for Doraemon. D for duster. And D for dinosaur. All start with alphabet D. Alphabet D. And the sound of D is D. Okay? And C. What is this? What is this? See? Which object is this? What is this? Umbrella. Umbrella. And the umbrella will start with which alphabet? किससे start होगा? U. And the sound of U is umbrella. Umbrella. The sound of U is U is okay. And see, what is this? This is a flower. What is this? This is a flower. This is made up of paper. Newspaper. Okay. This is a flower. So the sound of flower is, so we have to know the alphabet first. So the flower will start with F. Flower start with alphabet F. And the sound of F is F. Flower. F. Flower. Next is F. F. And C. Our next object is, what is this? What is this? Glass. What is this? Glass. So, glass start with alphabet G. And what is the sound of G? G. Glass. G. What is the sound? G. So our next alphabet is G. And the sound of G is G. Okay? And see, what is this? What is this? Teddy. What is this? Teddy. And you know, Teddy start with which alphabet? Alphabet T. Alphabet T. And the sound of T is Teddy. T. Teddy. So the alphabet of the sound of T is T. Okay. T says T. And students, I hope you all enjoyed this activity and you can revise this topic, phonic sound, with the help of your toys. Okay? So, definitely you will do. Okay? And we'll meet you in next class. Bye-bye.